If you are a lady or a guy who loves to rock a good twist set or a twist out, twist up, do twist anything, you want to go with Congo Perfecta by Congo Professional. This is their twist and define pudding. When I say the consistency of this is amazing, so what you want to do to achieve your twist, you can use this product as a standalone product, or you can use my twist kit, which includes the Max Foam or the Curb Curl Definer. All three of those together with an amazing detangle brush of your choice to set your twist off, okay? Congo Perfecta twist and define pudding. I've only seen one other twist pudding that I liked just as much as this one, and this is about to edge it out. I'm sorry, I don't know what else to tell you. When I say it adds so much moisture to your hair is really defined. And when you take out those twists, when I say definition, you really have two styles in one. You can't beat that at all. Congo, okay? Congo Perfecta twist and define pudding.